So guys, kakatapos lang ng grade 8 namin. Yes, this is all recorded. Fly, fly came in. Yes, this is all recorded in a freaking bedroom. I don't know. It's my life. I just want to say to all my classmates that thank you for being part of my life. Kahit na parang ano kayo sa I don't know, parang medyo akong bobo, on medyo akong ano, parang immature, gano'n. Pero salamat talaga. Thank you for being part of my life. Hindi na ako diyan mag-grade 9. James! I miss you so much, James. Remember me. Remember me. Remember me. Wow! Mapala ASMR to ah. Anya, and Janea, I'll also miss you too. I really, I really am gonna miss you both. You also to have been very understandable to me in my life. I'm just very thankful y'all were nakaabot ka ng Jensik Anja. And I'm thankful that you were in this school, Janea. I'm thankful that both of you were in the school. Kayo lang talaga ang pure na parang kausap ko. I think the best part about this is that you can get one half of a vacation after one whole year of suffering from a hell. At the same time though, like you're gonna think about your friends that you made there, you're just gonna miss them. Mindset nating mga estudyanteng Pilipino, like parang mentally stress kapag may pasok, pero pag wala, namimiss mo na yung mga kachismis nyo, kamarites nyo. Ganyan ang mindset nating mga Pilipino eh. Ito nga pala ng ito nga mga naganap noong grade 8 recognition namin. Okay, so on with the play. Masyado mahabang video. Kaya di ko natuloy. Ayan, ito ng ceremony. Instead na paggala, umuwi na kami. Kumain din kami sa isang restaurant filled with Chinese food after a trip to Hong Kong and Macau and China. So to all of those silly classmates of mine, thank you. Thank you for being part of my life. Thank you for like always being a part of me. Always like being supportive to the like section. But of course, we all had our ups and downs. Parang mentally ill tayo dun sa section na yan. Anyways, future 9 Durians, good luck. I won't be there anymore. Anyways, random videos. Kasi wala na akong magawa.
What do you think is your average in your total average?
100.
What is your fourth quarter score? Do you think is your
100.
bago? Ikaw. What do you think is your score? Your total average?
91.
What do you think? What do you think is your score in fourth quarter? Huh?
93.
Okay. You ask me.
What do you think is your total score in the grades? Yo!
Giat.
Tiga ba yung POV ko ngayon? Aray!
Uy, gumag mo yan. Gumag mo.
100! Go, fashion! Go! Go. Show us the new meta.
Name? James Kirby. Ito, nag-skating. Oh no! Say hi.
Stop it.
Oh, it's me.
Joshua gameplay. Kala mo pink.
Okay, guys. I don't know why. Is this working? Is this even working? I don't know. This stupid lines up. Anyways. Tsaka guys, to add, parang medyo masakit ang aking ulo. Ayun lang. Tapos baka pwede...
Puso po'y nagdurubo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib po sa